Hey everybody, so today I'm filming a 1977 Highlander. I apologize for the wind. It's been like this all day, so hopefully you can hear us. This is a Scotty and it belongs to Tammy and Terry from Georgia. And this is Terry and he's going to tell us about it.
Well, hey, this is a Highlander. It's a little bit taller than some of the other Scotties.
So we go in here, we don't have the wind.
There you go.
All right, so tell me about the condition it was in when you got it, and where did you find it?
It was usable when I bought it for $100 about 6 years ago.
$100?
And we would take it to shows, and I called it my rat rod camper because it was a little rough around the edges. But a few years ago, a lot of our friends started collecting campers and getting retro campers. So my wife decided we needed to clean it up. So we took it all the way down to the floor and all the sides and the roof off, everything, all this wood, everything inside is new.
It looks all brand new.
Yes, everything is brand new, except for these modules here. This bathroom here is original.
Get over.
And all this cabinetry here is original. This and the
Can you show me the bathroom?
sure can. Just a little porta potty.
So this is original.
That's original.
Yeah,
It
it's
did
got
not
the
have a
paneling.
shower. Yeah, it was just a closet. Some of them were set up with a shower and bathroom.
So this is a potty closet.
That's right. We take that out when we get home and flush it.
And they call this a Scotty with a potty.
Yeah, well, I guess. I would have preferred to have had an original bathroom in there, with a shower. But
Yeah, but this is nice.
you get what
Everything's
you
new.
get. Yeah, so new table made. Original seat covers here and under that as well. The zippers were all broken out on these. We went to an upholstery shop to see about having new zippers put in. And the upholstery guy was like, why don't you just stitch them together? So there's a zipper under here. And we just
You just sewed it.
sewed it.
Yeah, if you're not going to take it off, if
never,
that works.
Never gonna need that. We cleaned them really well before we put them back together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, it's really nice.
Thank you.
I mean, look outside for a minute.
Sure.
And where did you get the awning?
We got the awning off of Etsy from a person called Sew, S-E-W.
Uh-huh.
Awning, Sew Awnings.
I think I've actually heard of that one. I've seen it.
Maybe in North Carolina.
in posts.
I wish I would have had more information on it because
And look where
a
they're
lot of people
located at.
ask.
We get the fly fisher here.
Yeah.
As a
and
bonus.
Sew Country awnings.
Okay, here's where the awning came from.
Right.
And that's on Etsy, E-T-S-Y.
Yeah.
Got a really nice spot here.
Oh yeah. Nice and noisy at night.
Noisy
Not-
with the creek or noisy with the traffic?
With the creek, I mean, after about 10:30, 11 o'clock, the traffic dies down pretty well. And even sometimes, it gets pretty cool at night. So I have to close the windows. And then that really shuts down the noise from this.
Right.
Drastically.
And super hot during the day where I am in the hot sun, but he's over here in the shade by the creek.
Really comfortable, isn't
Yeah. Maybe I'll change my site for next year.
it? Yeah. Understand.
All right, Terry, thank you for showing us.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. You're going to see some more. This is taken in Cherokee, North Carolina at Happy Holiday RV Park. Bye, everybody. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up.